Hello everyone, I'm Purva. Welcome you all to Housey. Here we will be reviewing India's leading developers so that you can make a well-informed decision whether to buy an apartment in the property or not. Today we are excited to dive into a review of Adani Realty. With an inspiring tagline where dreams are built, Adani Realty has emerged as India's one of fastest growing developers, creating exceptional living and commercial spaces. This review will be structured into segments like builder overview, presence in cities, owners and leadership, completed projects, awards and recognitions, facts and controversies. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, let's dive into the builder review. Adani Realty is the real estate arm of diversified Adani Group, founded 15 years ago in the early 2000s by Mr. Gautam Adani. It aligns perfectly with their tagline where dreams are built, emphasizing their goal to create spaces that inspire excellence and improve quality of life. Let's have a look at the history and the major milestones of Adani Realty. 2000s established Adani Realty as a part of Adani Group. 2010 launched the iconic Shantigram Township in Ahmedabad, one of India's largest integrated townships. 2012, Adani Realty enters the Haryana state with their first project Oyster Grand in Gurgaon. 2014, Adani Realty sets foot in Mumbai with the first project Western Heights in Andheri West. 2022, Adani International School opened its first branch at Shantigram, Ahmedabad. In 2022, Adani Realty surpassed the milestone of 7,000 families across completed projects. Owners and leadership. The success of Adani Realty is driven by an experienced leadership team. Chairman Gautam Adani, a pivotal figure in the Adani Group, overseeing operations and strategic directions. Managing directors Rajesh Adani and Pranav Adani actively involved in diversifying the group's portfolio and guiding Adani Realty's growth strategy. CEO Jack Bastian K. Nazareth. With decades of experience in real estate, he leads operational excellence and strategic foresight. Together, this leadership ensures that Adani Realty develops not just properties but sustainable communities, balancing urbanization with environmental preservance. Now let's discuss the impact Adani Realty has made with their projects. Adani Realty has successfully delivered homes for over 7,000 happy families. They have completed over 24 million square feet of construction across various categories, including residential, commercial and retail spaces. Currently has 61 million square feet of ongoing developments, ensuring a robust pipeline of future projects. In addition to the real estate ventures, Adani Realty is a part of larger Adani Group which operates across various sectors. Let's have a closer look at the diverse business interest. Ports and logistics. Adani Ports is India's largest port developer and operator, providing crucial infrastructure for trade and commerce. Energy and power. Adani Green Energy and Adani Power are leaders in both renewable and conventional energy sectors, focusing on sustainable solutions. Agriculture. Adani Wilmar produces consumer goods under the well-known brand Fortune, contributing significantly to India's agricultural supply chain. Airports and aviation. The group operates key airports across India, including those in Mumbai, Ahmedabad and Lucknow, enhancing connectivity and infrastructure to India's agricultural supply chain. Next, let's explore Adani Realty's presence in cities. Adani Realty has strategically established its projects across several major cities in India, offering a blend of residential, commercial and retail spaces. Their footprints include Mumbai, a focus on premium residential and commercial development, Ahmedabad offering both affordable and luxury residential projects, Gurugram high-end commercial and luxury residential projects, Pune projects concentrated on affordable housing, Kochi upcoming retail and mixed-use developments. Moving on to some of the completed projects, here are a few notable residential projects developed by Adani Realty. Western Heights, Andheri West, Mumbai, premium apartments featuring panoramic views and advanced amenities. Shantigram Township, Ahmedabad, a 600-acre integrated township with diverse residential zone. Oyster Grant, Gurugram, Haryana. Here are a few notable commercial projects developed by Adani Realty. Inspire BKC, Mumbai, high-end office spaces in Mumbai's premier business hub. Inspire Corporate Capital, Ahmedabad, meticulously designed for new age ventures. Adani Realty also focuses on developing premium retail spaces that cater to the diverse consumer needs. Let's have a look at some of the notable retail projects, and that includes Miracle Mile. Now let's take a look the awards and recognition Adani Realty has received. Adani Realty has been celebrated for its commitment to excellence with accolade. Residential Project of the Year, West Amogha Construction Week Awards 2024, Iconic Project of the Year Award, Linkway Residences Realty, Realty Conclave and Excellence Awards 2024, Best Use of Technology in CX Gain Skills, 4th DCX Awards 2024, Best Use of Data Analytics in CX Gain Skills, 4th DCX Awards 2024, Artificial Intelligence in Marketing, Metaverse by Brandmasters, the DMA Asia Sparkies Awards 2023, FIST Award Shantigram Township, Finest India Skills and Talent Awards 2023, and Property Launch Campaign Primo Pass Initiative, codename Westway, the Economic Times Real Estate Conclave Awards 2023. Finally, let's explore some interesting facts and controversies surrounding Adani Realty. Facts. Known for integrating renewable energy solutions in residential developments, the Shantigram Township is among India's largest integrated townships, covering 600 acres. Adani Realty adheres to LEED certified standards for sustainable construction, collaborates with international architects for luxury residential spaces. Controversies. Western Heights, Andheri. Buyers reported delays due to environmental clearance issues leading to legal disputes. Monte South Baikala. Complaints about discrepancies between promised and delivered amenities resulted in lawsuits. Shantigram Township. Environmental activities raised concerns about land acquisition and its impact on local ecosystems. Inspire BKC, Mumbai. Project delays led to dissatisfaction among tenants and legal warnings from business. So everyone, this was Adani Realty's review. Hope you liked the video and do let us know in the comment section which builder review you would like to watch next, and we will do it for you. At last, don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such builder review, teasers, sample flats and other real estate videos.